Good day, everyone. Today we're going to work on 10.8 classifying solid figures. The I can statement is I can classify solid figures. You should be taking notes on this, so you need to either open up a brand new digital note or you need to set up your 3-column notes so that you can go through and do these notes. The first main idea, the first question is vocab, and this is basically all of your notes today. You are only going to take vocab. I've actually defined all of the vocab words for you, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll through them pretty quickly here, and then you are going to just pause the video so that you can write down each of the vocab words. For example, number 1, plane figure is a 2D shape. It is flat, and so on and so forth. You're going to do that for number 2. You're going to do that for number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11, as there are 11 words. The cheat sheet, you're going to write down the cheat sheet that I gave you. You don't even have to come up with your own cheat sheet. So, as I said, I'm going to start scrolling through these, and you are going to write down all of the vocab words. Just pause when you need to stop and write down a word, and then you can hit play and continue on. So, here we go. Again, write down the title, the I can statement, and all the vocab words, and you're going to pause. I am going to go this fast through it so that you have a chance to see all of the words and pause the video in order to write them down. I will not read them to you, as we'll discuss them or go over them tomorrow or the next time we're together in class. Again, you are responsible for writing all of these down. This will be part of your assignment. I will check to make sure you have all of these words and their definitions written down. After you get to number 11, you can go ahead and draw a line, and then there is going to be a second part to your notes, which is going to be more assignment than notes, but I want you to do it in your notes. The second part is examples. I would like you to write down number 12, prism, and I would like you to give me a real-life example of a prism, something that you see in the classroom, something you see in your bedroom, something you see in your house, something you see anywhere in life. So give me an example of a prism. 13, do the same thing with cylinder. So this will conclude your notes. You're going to go ahead and again give me a real-life example of all of these things using the definitions above to help you understand what each of these are. What's an example of a rectangular pyramid? What's an example of a triangular pyramid? A cone, that one should be pretty simple. What's an example of a sphere? Give me an example of a cube. Give me an example of a rectangular prism. Give me an example of a triangular prism. And then that would be the end. So these are your notes. You are going to get them all done by the next time I see you in class, so tomorrow for most of you. And then there is an assignment that is in your Schoology. I sent it out in an update. Finish that assignment. I believe it is in the 10.8 folder, 1 through 16 all. It is a pretty quick assignment. No work needs to be shown. I think you will find that it'll go really, really fast. Have a good day. We'll see you all soon.